That's how they do it.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
5 seconds still till the up.
Go, go, go!
Mode has begun. Both the blue and red lines have raised their head.
Yep, he's going to a medium tower.
Is going for a barrel and a spear in the middle tower.
That's okay.
They got a barrel.
Why doesn't he pick up on the ground?
Because it's easier to load two. You can load two more.
For the Blue Alliance,
Why is he
The other one will clean up the rest.
a spear into a small tower. That is, again, 2 points.
There you go, see?
Blue Alliance Robot 4457 is scoring a blue barrel into a small tower for another 2 points.
Good. Yep, yeah, when he went in.
4259C has scored a spear into the same tower they got the barrel into.
Nope.
That tower into
Not yet, no way. Red one, red, red, red. 46, 45, 44. Wait.
Looks like Red Alliance has gotten a few field goals.
Just hold it, yeah. Can they stack a red one on top of it?
And we're at 35 seconds.
Not too early, girl.
Specialty barrels coming to play. The Red Alliance is outfitted 4259C with a doubler barrel, hoping to double their 3-point score with their towers. They are the Blue Alliance making that tower home 6-4.
Grab another one, Drew. Grab another one.
The Red Alliance has several field goals. That might be a